Some of the most vulnerable victims and witnesses involved in court cases are finding comfort in special canines. The job of facility dogs is to bond with children. The animals help them cope with the trauma of facing an accuser or giving testimony in court. Barry Petersen visited the Arapahoe County District Attorney's office in Colorado to meet an important member of the Special Victims Unit.
He's so sweet.
She's a good girl.
This is what Pella sees when she's on the job. The happy effect of charming 5-year-old Malayla.
She loves her belly.
She does love her belly rub.
It's another training day at the office for Pella.
Fine.
A Labrador Golden Retriever mix.
Look at that. She did a good job.
Malayla and the other children we met this day were volunteers helping in Pella's work.
She just brings a smile to people's face just seeing her.
Pella's job was created by Amber Urban when she was at a local police department.
Let's go.
Now she's a criminal investigator at the Arapahoe County, Colorado District Attorney's office.
Yeah, okay, come on, let's go.
Call them partners. They take on the toughest cases when a child has been hurt or sexually abused or seen a horrible crime. It often starts with the investigation when a child may be too traumatized to talk. Then you bring Pella into the room, and what happens?
Right, and then they just want to talk about Pella, and they interact with you because if Pella thinks you're okay, then you must be okay.
And then they feel safe enough to tell their stories. She's played a role in 450 cases since she began her career with Amber.
Pella, under.
Being there for a child right into the courtroom. This kind of training keeps Pella's skills sharp. Pella must stay out of sight on the witness stand.
Good girl.
Her gift to a frightened child who must testify is her very presence.
The intimidation factor, the fear, the coldness of the room, Pella helps eliminate all of that.
Kara Moreland is a senior deputy district attorney who calls Pella a huge asset to a prosecutor.
Because to have a witness who's willing to talk makes the jury hear their story, and the focus is on them versus the focus being on me and questions, and it looks like I have to draw it out of them.
Pella stays out of sight on purpose. Jurors never know she is there, so they will focus on the testimony, not the dog.
Our teacher.
Your teacher puts him in there.
Abby helped us understand the child's view when the defendant can be sitting only a few feet away. Do you think it helps to have Pella here? A little protection or a little comfort?
Yeah, I think it would help because I'd probably be afraid of that person, and she'd be there to help me relax and calm and not feel so scared.
Pella has company. There are 126 courthouse dogs in 34 states, plus the District of Columbia.
Pella, fetch.
But really, it's not as easy as just getting a well-trained dog. It's Pella and the unconditional love that children sense instantly.
Good girl, Pella.
She loves kids. The minute she hears or sees that there is a child around, I see her look for them. That's really important for her to be very focused on them.
She's a pretty special dog.
She is a special dog. They just love her, and she responds to them.
Come on, Pella, you got this. Go, Pella, go. Good girl.
And that's what makes her Pella, the most lovable crime fighter around.
There you go.
For CBS This Morning, Barry Petersen, Arapahoe County, Colorado.
Pella, down.
Oh. Well worth it. What a terrific idea.
I was going to say,
Telling you, boys and girls.
I think everybody
Dogs love
agrees
you.
with the dog. Yes, unconditional love always.